first step, find your app store in your homepage and then click search. Input the keyword Lark, L-A-R-K, and then this one. Okay, download this one. And go back to your homepage, find the newly downloaded Lark, and allow the Wi and mobile internet access and accept all the things. Click login. And then just input your email address, click next. Then you will get your verification code. Input that one. And never forget to click the blue sentence down there and choose the 4 individuals. And then just get your first name and last name. And then set your own password. So that's all. In your email inbox, you can find this QR code we send you through email. And you should save it to your photo album. Let's go back to the Lark. Click the plus button up right there. And then click Scan QR code. In this page, you click Album. Then choose the QR code you saved. And click Add to the Contacts. Click Send. And we will get your request.